Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up a welcome email in Beehiiv. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings right here, then go to publication, then scroll down until you see welcome email, set up welcome email. And these are all the settings you can change. I recommend you turning this on. Here you can give your email a name. And a preview of the email. And here you can add content. So what you see in the email. Don't forget to save it right here. And preview it. This is what it looks on desktop and this on mobile. To see the analytics of your email, you can tap on here, and here you see it. So that's it. If you want to double check if you have saved it already, tap on settings, publication, and right here you see the email. And to change it again, tap on edit and do the same thing. So that's it. Please subscribe and see you next one.